Hello, welcome to English 122 Online. I'm Mr. Thomas. I'm really excited to be teaching this class this summer, and I'm looking forward to getting to know you a little better, and I hope you get to know me a little bit better. There's a lot of great information in the opening module. There's this welcome video. There's also a welcome letter that will tell you a whole bunch of useful information about me, the class, anything else you want to know. There's a syllabus that's posted. There's also a quick 5-point low-stakes orientation quiz that will help you get started in this class and to learn a little bit more about this class. And there's also a few other interesting pieces of information there too, about the 3 major readings and essays that we're going to be doing this summer, and also how to effectively contact me over the summer break. There's one required textbook for this class. It is Antigone by Sophocles, and it is really a short play, and it is a good English translation, and it's cheap. There's many different ways to get this. You can purchase this at the bookstore at DVC. You can get it online at Amazon. You can even find the same copy free on Google. However, it has to be the Don Taylor translation. So this is the version I recommend you get, but if you feel free to get another version of Antigone, as long as it has the translation by Don Taylor. It's very straightforward, accessible, and easy to understand. So, a little bit about me before we begin. I've been teaching at DVC for a long time, and I really do enjoy it a great deal. Teaching online is somewhat new for me, so I'm still learning a lot. Please be patient with me. I've always had this bushy white beard, but my hair's gotten kind of out of control due to the pandemic. I hope maybe I can get that a little bit taken care of soon. And at any rate, I encourage you to delve into the Canvas opening module, and I look forward to seeing more of you. You'll be seeing more of me with an occasional video once or twice a week. I look forward to seeing you again, and bye-bye.